Why does your scanner show the P1529 engine code? What does it mean? P1529 is a diagnostic trouble code for TCM-MIL on-request signal. This engine code indicates that this code often appears when the TCM detects an issue and signals the ECM to turn on the check engine light. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty vehicle speed sensor, wiring and connector issues, transmission control module problems, throttle body issues, older Kia. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai and Kia vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.